Today we are unboxing the brand new Google Fitbit Air, Google's lightest and simplest fitness tracker yet. It's screen-free, incredibly lightweight, and designed for people who want to track their health without constantly checking notifications. Let's see what's inside the box and whether it's worth buying.
So let's open the box. Okay, there you go. Look at the beauty. So let's do this out. I'm gonna put it here for a second. Let's see what's inside. Comes with the box accessories wise. I'm sure this is the charging one. Okay, we have all out. This should be the manual. Yeah, that's the manual, which nobody reads. That's the charging cable. So this charge in here, type C, which is good, supported by all the charging cables and adapters. So let's take this little tiny 12-gram band out. So very nice feel, very lightweight, I would say. I think that's the main device where your fitness is storing. Everything is very tiny, very small. Look at the Google logo. So I'm wearing a band already. I'm just gonna I'll keep wearing it. Wear this as well. I'm gonna show you how does it looks. It's actually really cool. I am finding it really cool. I'm sure you have seen the Whoop and a lot of comparison between Whoop and this, but this is really good. Like, I don't like really much Whoop because that's a bit more whiter, but this is like as you can see, I'm wearing this band. It looks actually cool. So I can wear this on my right hand. On my left hand, I'm wearing already Apple Watch. So this I'm wearing here. All right, let me show you how to connect with the iPhone now with the Google Health app. But this to connect really, this it's an iPhone device, so you can. I'm sure the process is gonna be the same for Android as well. You can go on the Play Store. Google Health Fitbit. There you go. This is the one. Now we're gonna open the app. Okay. So we have to sign in with Google. Just gonna sign in there. So here you can add the details. You can read it. All that. You click here, connect our Fitbit device. So here you have all the options. The one we have is this one, tracker. Start up. Agree. Power, and let's see. Okay, to do that, we need to plug in with the type C one. Okay. Let's see, good start. Okay, we need to take this out. We need to power this first. So we're gonna power this right here. You can see the light here, it's blinking. So now it's searching for the device. So there's one light on this side only. I can hear the vibration as well. Okay, pair that. Continue. Okay. You just select your country. Okay, we need to update as well. So the update has been completed. As you can see, good to know. Fitbit checking the battery. It says white over 20%, blinking red below 20%, solid red 0%. So that's the light you have to keep an eye on. Okay, you can take it out like that, put it back in, showing you all the instructions to wear it. That's the one I was talking about. Try 3 months of health coaching on us. You can try it on or no thanks. So we are in the Google Fitbit Air now. So you can try it on and tell your review, and that's the battery percentage showing in here. Let's explore the app here. What it gives us here: steps, reading, main sleep score, distance, exercise of day, heart rate. It's gonna give you all the things you need. Your weight, you can add it. Connect your Apple Health in here and give you all the information fitness wise, sleep wise, health. The good thing is it's free to use. You don't have to buy any kind of membership like people have to do for Whoop. So this is really good thing. I'm sure you like this video, and if there's any more questions, let me know in the comments below and let me know what you think about this.